This is another recipe from my childhood. Olivier Salad. It is Russian potato salad, but I grew up in Ukraine and we made it all the time. So it's basically Ukrainian potato salad and we call it Salat Oливье. Every New Year's party or any celebration, you see it. It's super, super delicious. Let's do it. We start by boiling potatoes, carrots, and eggs all in one pot. The best potatoes to use are the ones you have on hand, honestly. Here I have russet potatoes. You can use yellow potatoes, red potatoes, baby potatoes. In Ukraine, we use similar to russet potatoes. Make sure to wash and scrub them well, especially the homegrown ones, they get dirty. I'm cutting them in halves because they're super large, so I want all vegetables to cook evenly. Carrots. I recommend to use thicker, chubbier carrots because they're easier to peel. I cut them in half just to fit into my smaller pot and to cook evenly. Now we're going to add 4 eggs, cook them for 10 minutes and remove to an ice bath and keep cooking vegetables for another 10 minutes. And when you cook your vegetables, you want to keep the lid a little bit to the side so the water is not boiling all over the stove. Now to cool the vegetables, I recommend to prep all of this the day ahead or remove them to the bowl so they're not sitting in a hot pot, or put them outside. That's what my grandma did. She always put them outside. Now you have to peel cooked carrots and potatoes, and there is no trick, you just have to do it. Some vegetables peel easier and some peel harder. I don't know what it depends on. Kind of like use a sharp paring knife and scrub them or peel to the side. Just take your time. Yes, it's a process. If you use baby carrots, you don't have to peel them, so that's pretty convenient. Now peel the eggs, and my trick is just tap them on a counter just a few times so the shell is not too small. Peel them, and I like to rinse them, to get rid of all those little eggshells. Now all we have to do is dice all the ingredients to the similar size pieces. Salat Oливье, it's easier to say for me in Russian, or Olivier Salad. It's like a potato salad. Everything has to be in bite-sized pieces. And the story is, as per Wikipedia, it is a Russian potato salad, but it was enjoyed all over former Soviet Union countries. We all made it. So here we have carrots, and just keep chopping, dicing. This salad is, I would say, top 3 recipes of all Ukrainian cooking. It's literally, it is really good. It's one of my favorites. Also, different regions add different ingredients, and different families too. Some people in my family like to add a little bit of chopped onion and a little bit of chopped apple. I personally do not like that. I love a lot of hard-boiled eggs. And now pickles. Love pickles. I don't recommend you use sweet pickles, rather use dill pickles. And as for the meat, you can really use any meat. I'm using garlic sausage, which was not that easy to peel. That's just the reality. Check how your sausage peels, and if it doesn't peel great, that's fine. You can use ham, bologna, Lionere sausage. You can use leftover roast meat, leftover cooked turkey, baked turkey, even I made it with chicken breast. Yeah, anything honestly goes. Green peas, we're using frozen green peas, and I think they're so nice. They add a nice fresh crunch. So what I'm doing, I'm putting them in a bowl with hot tap water for a minute or 2, and that's how they thaw. Drain, add them. In Ukraine and Russia, we use canned peas, which are not as great. Fresh are way better. You can use fresh or frozen. Traditionally, Salat Oливье is made with all mayo dressing, but I am making it a little bit healthier. I'm using yogurt, majority, 75% of yogurt, and a little bit of avocado oil-based mayo. That's my favorite mayo. Then all you need is salt and pepper, and I'm not gonna lie, we eyeball everything, so literally you can just season to taste, stir the salad, and taste it, then adjust. Of course, it tastes best when it's refrigerated and cold, so if you have time, highly recommend, and it is absolutely awesome. This salad is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this Russian potato salad, and if you love this video, share it with your friends and family. See ya!